Alrighty, Chef Buck here with Action Leroy. And he's very excited because we got some extra cheese. So if you have a lot of cheese and some eggs and you want to make a quick egg dish, then you can do this. Look at all this Parmesan cheese we got. So we're going to make a super simple Parmesan egg flippy doodle. First thing we're going to do is we're going to grate our cheese.
What do you think about that, Leroy?
Now, you can use any kind of hard cheese you want for this. In fact, the pre-grated cheese probably works better because it'll crisp up quicker in the pan. And I've got some Parmesan. See if any cheese drops on the floor, we got an automatic cheese cleaner right there.
Action Leroy is on the job.
That's probably enough right here for 2 eggs because we're going to use a lot. You know, this is definitely an eggy, cheesy dish. But if you've got a ton of cheese you need to use up, or you just like the taste of cheese, then this is an easy way to fancyfy it up with an egg. So let me take a handful of cheese over here and throw it in my skillet. And my skillet's already hot. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my amazing macho Superman hands to work on the skillet. Now, if you're just an average person, then use a spatula or spoon or something like that. Because most people couldn't survive this.
Probably a smarter idea to use.
Well, yeah, it's definitely smarter. Alrighty. But now I'm going to leave this alone. And because this is kind of freshly grated cheese, I'm probably going to leave it alone for a little bit longer than I usually would because I want the cheese to crisp up a bit. And I'm going to go ahead and start to shape it a little bit because this is a very artistic dish. So you want to pull in the loose cheese orbit and make it whatever size you want. But I like to go for the classic circle.
That's sort of a square.
Oh, you're sort of a square.
Yay!
Look at Leroy waiting patiently for his egg. I'm going to go ahead and crack me an egg and drop it in my circle o' cheese. We're visiting some of Lisa's relatives. We're hanging out our cousins. So we're in this new, amazing cousin kitchen. But they've got every kitchen gadget that we could need. So I'm just going to go ahead and, you know, if my egg starts to run anywhere, just like the cheese, you know, you want to pull it into that artistic circle. All right, and see it's starting to move around. Now this is one thing. You want to make sure and have a non-stick skillet for this. You know, for this to look attractive, you know, you don't want to be scraping it because it'll fall apart, you know. So you want a non-stick skillet for sure. For sure. And really what I'm waiting for is for my cheese to get a little crispy on the bottom. This is like a combination of fried cheese and egg.
Runny egg, so it has its own sauce.
Yeah. I definitely want a runny egg. I'm not going to, you know, you could do an over hard egg, but who wants it? Alrighty, come on, I'm going to flip her doodle down here. Boom, boom, boom. See, so I got some nice crispy Parmesan right there. And I'm not going to leave it on this side for much time at all. Just like Camera Girl said, we don't want to overcook our egg. And now we'll go ahead and just lay our egg on there. And there you have it. That's all there is to it. Super duper fancy Parmesan cheese egg. Delicioso. Just the perfect dish for a large, hungry dog. And that's all there is to some nice Parmesan eggs.
That's what's great. It's crispy cheese and it's runny egg.
Muy delicioso. Got a mess here.
You mean it's a weekday or weekend?
So you ready for your breakfast, Camera Girl?
I'm ready.
Here's Camera Girl's right over here. Come on over here. There's Action Leroy's. His breakfast is there. So as soon as he can figure out how to sit in a chair and use his utensils, then he'll have his breakfast. But it looks like he's giving up on being civilized. But there you have it. You know, go ahead and give this egg dish a try. We got tons of recipes over at myfoodchannel.com. I have a link down below. You can go over to our website, check it out over there. We got a Patreon, we got PayPal, we got a travel channel, we got a podcast, all kinds of links. Linkapalooza. Check it out. We'll see you in the future. Bye-bye.